Are you interested in learning how to build business credit? If so, then you'll want to stick around for this video, where I'll share how you can attend an exclusive, free training business credit webinar with Oz Konar, where he shows you how to get access to over $250,000 in funding through business credit. So who is Oz Konar? Oz Konar is a passionate entrepreneur and multiple seven-figure business owner. His mission is to help people design and build their dream businesses. In a free webinar, he teaches you how to leverage other people's money through business credit. You'll learn everything from setting up your business credit profile to getting approved for high-limit credit cards. Oz is the founder of Business Lending Blueprint, where his mission is to revolutionize the alternative lending industry. Business Lending Blueprint has become a symbol of great principles. A solid foundation following ethical and consultative processes to train others how to become profitable in a short amount of time. And now, Oz has created his newest training program called Business Credit Success, where he teaches you how to build business credit that is not tied to your social security number and how to use it as leverage to build or grow a seven-figure business. So, why is not having your personal score tied to your business credit so important? Think about it. If you could get a $100,000 credit line with no personal guarantee, would that help your business? The answer is absolutely yes. You can learn more about Oz Konar and his Business Credit Success program by clicking the link in the description below. Do not wait, this is extremely important to the success of your business, and we are not sure how long this free training will be available. You can click the link in the description to get your free access to the webinar. When you click on the link in the description, you'll be taken to a page that looks just like this. From here, you simply click on the orange Learn More button. Then, just enter your name, email, phone number, and click Watch Training. You'll be given instant access to this exclusive webinar. So, what are some other benefits of building business credit? Get more money for your business without giving up equity. Access to high-limit lines of credit and loans, all without using your personal credit or any personal guarantee. Fast approvals with no paperwork. Build a corporate veil to protect your assets from potential lawsuits. If you're interested in learning how to build business credit, this is one business credit webinar that you don't want to miss. It is jam-packed with valuable information on how to build business credit. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to sign up for this free training webinar now. Hurry, because this is not going to stay online forever. Simply, click the link below in the description to save your spot. Please hit the like button if you enjoy this video, as it helps us out a lot. We really appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified of our latest videos. On this free business credit webinar, Oz will also cover what he refers to as the 4 C's to building business credit, and how mastering these 4 C's will give you access to millions of dollars. All without selling any equity in your company. All without begging friends and family to give you money. All without jumping from application to application, from lender to lender, applying using your personal credit. Also, you will learn how to get access to the underground strategies to get approved for high-limit credit cards, and revolving credit under your business name with no personal guarantee. How to monitor your business credit scores with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian in real time. How to get your business credit profile set up and activated quickly with all 3 bureaus while saving you time and money. You'll learn about the importance of entity formation and how it affects your business credit. You'll also learn how to access the 7 steps to corporate compliance to ensure your business exceeds lender credibility standards, to get automated approvals, and more. Click the link below in the description to sign up for this exclusive free business credit webinar now. Do not wait, because we are not sure how long this will be available. Click the link below right now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the inside.